Facebook ads has changed so much. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the new way you want to run your Facebook ads to get even better results. And I'll show you right now. So there's a brand new way of doing Facebook ads that I have seen a lot of my clients get really good results with. And not just getting better results, but also the cost per result is a lot better. And all you have to do is you just basically go to create. So here's the trusted ads manager. You just go to create right here. Then you go to sales right here. And then what you want to do is that you want to click continue. Now you're going to be given these two options right here. And then you want to select advanced shopping campaign and then click continue. Once that's done, you are going to arrive here. So you're going to arrive on the campaign level and you just scroll down and then you're going to be given these two options, website and app or website, right? So obviously most of you are trying to get sales, customers through your website. So what you want to do, you want to select website right here. Then you're going to be given an option for maximum number of conversions. Now, you want to select maximum number of conversions right here. For some of you guys, you may be given this option of maximum value of conversions. Now, this is something that you may want to test as well, especially for those of you who sell very expensive products. So this is definitely something that's going to help you get more of those higher value customers coming into your funnel. But by and large, customers who buy something are just as valuable. So it's just as good to select this one right here, which is maximum number of conversions. Then you scroll down and then you want to select your pixel. That is a very important thing. You want to select your pixel. It's the same thing that you do with a manual campaign. It's the same thing you will do with Advantage. Then, once you have selected your pixel, you're going to come here and then you're going to obviously select purchase because that's what we want. We want to get purchases. We want people to come to our site and buy from us. Now, you're going to be given audience location and all that. So with Advantage, it's a lot broader, but it's based off of the data that you already have. And it's based on the algorithm. So it will pretty much just figure out who to target. So really what you may want to do is just obviously just change the country or the location that you're trying to target. Because obviously I'm based in the UK, I'm based in London. So what I'll do is that I'll keep this at United Kingdom. Then you want to scroll down and then you're going to come to this section right here where it says budget and schedule. So you can put in your budget into here. You can also put in your lifetime budget, but I tend to do most of the time daily budget. So you can put in the amount that you want to put here. So say you want to put in $50 a day or something like that, just as an example. And guys, whenever you see this yellow thing, yeah, this usually happens with ad accounts that don't really spend a lot. So what you want to do is that you may want to bring down how much you're spending a day, right? Because obviously this is a dummy ad account. I don't really use it that much. I use it to show you examples, hence why that yellow notification popped up. Then you scroll down. Now, for a lot of you that are using Advantage that have a lot of data, you're going to be given these suggested ads, and it's going to give you an option to import some of your suggested ads. But you want to make sure that you're importing ads that have performed and gotten you purchases. Proven ads, winning ads. That's the thing with Advantage. That is the thing with Advantage. You want to make sure that you are using winning ads. We are not guessing, we're not testing. All that work has been done before in your other campaigns. So what a lot of you will see here is you'll see some ads that have already gotten some purchases, and it'll show you how many purchases each ad has got, and you just basically import them into here by just a click of a button. Then once you've done that, you just basically click next, and now we are at the ad level. The old way of doing ads, right, was by choosing single image or carousel. and then you put your image and you're good to go. Image or video and you're good to go. But the new way now, because it's heavily reliant on the algorithm and heavily reliant on data that's accumulated, because the more data you give the Facebook algorithm, the more it's going to learn and the more it's going to know who to show your ads to, right? You want to select flexible instead. You don't want to select single image or video, but you want to select flexible. And it says, we'll show your ad in the format that we predict may perform best. But the thing with using this option is that you want to put in your winning ads. You only want to put in winning ads. So the algorithm only has the best to choose from and to do different formats of your ad with. And when the algorithm is able to do that, it's able to get you more results. Now, when we scroll down, you got this multi-advertiser ads. I always switch this on, always. So for example, if you're selling, I don't know, dresses, for example, your ads are going to show up next to other brands that are also selling dresses or any type of women's clothing. It's very good in terms of showing your ads to people who are in the mindset of buying. So I always switch this on. Then you scroll down, and because I selected flexible right here, it says here 0 out of 10. So I'm actually able to put in 10 pieces, up to 10 pieces of ads in here. That's the new way, guys. So you're giving the algorithm much more to work with, but what you give it to work with has to be winners. It can't be any losers or any ones that you're not sure of. It has to be winners, all winners, right? Now, let me show you how this works. So you click on add media right here, and then you want to click add images, or you can add videos. It's the same with videos, images, videos, same thing. Then you click add images. As you can see here, I have selected 3 images. That's basically what I've done. So by clicking add media, you click on image, then it's going to give you a bunch of images and stuff that you can choose from. And you want to pick more than one. You can do up to 10 right here. But as you can see here, I've picked 3 example images. And what the algorithm is going to do is going to cycle through these 3 and do different ad formats, like basically a bunch of different testing really quickly. And in order to find the one that does very well. This is the new way. The old way was you got to test the image, find which image works. That'll probably take a few days to find out. Then you got to test the headline. A few days to figure out which one's the winner. Then you got to test another element of the ad, and it can literally take months to get even to a winning ad or an ad that's getting you results, getting you purchases. But with this way, it's doing it quickly. Now, let me show you something, guys. As you can see here, it shows you this information. It says add creative, add a variety of creative elements and group the ones that can be shown together. We'll combine the right elements to show each person the version of your ad that they're most likely to engage. Facebook is literally tailoring each ad so specific, even down to the individual and how they interact with ads and what makes them convert. They're doing it so quickly. Now I click here about flexible ad format. As you can see here, it shows here automatic optimization, understanding the audience, ad creation with less effort. You don't need to select different ad formats for different ad placements, as it's selected for you based on what the ad delivery system determines people are most likely to respond to. It's literally doing testing for you, but really quickly, but you want to make sure it's doing testing with your winners. Now, another thing as well is that you could do the same with primary text. You can put in up to 5 different versions of primary text, up to 5 different versions of headline, up to 5 different descriptions. The more you give the algorithm, the more it works with. But like I mentioned, you don't want to give Facebook just the winners in terms of creative. You want to give it winners in terms of primary text. What have been your winners from a primary text perspective? What have been your winners from a headline perspective? What have been your winners from a description perspective? And guys, with Advantage, what works for me with Advantage, I don't test with Advantage. I leave that to manual. That's what I do with manual. Manual is testing for me. That's what I can really do, try different things. But advantage is the big leagues. This is the winners, winners of creative, winners of headline, winners of every element of an ad you put here. And the algorithm will sort that through for you. But the interesting thing is here, like what I mentioned about how quickly they're testing. We scroll down. Obviously, you put in your URL into here. And then it shows here, you want this to be turned on. Because if we've chosen flexible, manual upload, flexible, you want to make sure that this is turned on. This, guys, is where the magic happens. Now, let me prove this to you. It says here, vary your ad creative and destination based on each person's likelihood of responding. So the ad experience for the person is so personalized. It's so personalized. But to get there, you have to test so quickly. And here it shows us the possible cost optimizations. You just click here. And let me show you all the testing that this algorithm will do. Way quicker than what any of us could even try to do even in a month of running ads. Look at all that, guys. It'll test the music, ad catalog items, ad site links, image filter, ad overlays. It says here, here's how we may adjust your ad created for each format when it may improve. Let's do single video. These are all the different optimizations, the text improvements, visual touch-ups. These are all the optimizations that it's doing. We could easily manually test for each of these, but it's going to take us forever. It's going to take us forever to even get there. But it's doing that quickly and doing that in the campaign. Carousel, dynamic description, profile end card. Sometimes it will add a profile end card, sometimes it won't. We need to find a profile end card. Will that make them convert or not? By doing it this way, in this new way, you find that answer a lot quicker, simply just by turning this on. So guys, and then once you've done that, you obviously click your call to action, which will be shop now, right? So this is another one of the new ways to run your Facebook ads by literally turning on and making adjustments to some of the settings at the ad level. Because most of the adjustments are really at the ad level, really. Because when you start a campaign, you basically do advantage but all the stuff that we are adding, creative, headline, all that stuff is really at the ad level. Just goes to show that everything is more, the creative is basically where a lot of the power or a lot of the convincing is held to make the customer to purchase with you. Okay. So guys, if you need any help or need to gain some understanding or book a one-on-one call with me, you can basically click the link in my description and go to my Fiverr. I'm on Fiverr. And as you can see here, I've done over 1,300 of these. You can even see all my reviews, top rated, buyers keep returning. And you can actually see the clients that I've actually worked with as well, and also see my portfolio. And again, you can look through all my reviews and see what people have been saying about the suggestions, the guidance, the strategies that I've been providing for them and their businesses. So guys, if you need that one-on-one help that is specific to your business and specific to your situation when it comes to Facebook ads, click the link in the description to book a Fiverr call with me, and I'll be more than happy to help. But as usual, I'll be giving you more marketing tips and tricks to help you with your business. Take care, guys.